In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily schedule a post on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app. And then we need to switch our account, our personal account, to business account. To do that, head over to your profile, tap at three lines here, go to settings and privacy, and then scroll down all the way until you find account type and tools. Then tap at switch to professional account, hit continue all the time until you head over to that page, and then just tap at done. On the next step, select whether you would like to be a creator or a business. You can keep creator selected, or you can switch it to business and then hit at next. After a couple of seconds, your account will be switched to business account. We can just close that settings now, and then all you have to do in order to schedule a post is just start creating a post. We can select a picture, then hit next, then next again, and on that step, if we scroll down a bit and get into advanced settings, that's where we can easily find schedule this post feature. First off, we need to activate it. And then we can set any day and time for that post to be scheduled, to be shared in that time. Then hit at done, go back right here, and then tap at schedule. It says scheduling, so just wait until this post is this image is downloaded and the post is scheduled. And basically, guys, that's it.